Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan with generals. How are you all doing today? I hope you are enjoying the hot weather, but staying safe in the hot weather, staying hydrated, sipping on that good tea and some good water. All right, we have a general love reading, a collective reading today, and we are exploring the question, what do they think of you? So, get your tea, get your snacks ready because we're gonna get into it. Water tea, tea sippers, water tea, tea sippers, water tea. Welcome, welcome, welcome tea sippers, yeah. All right, so I hope you've got your tea, your water, again, staying hydrated. Okay, I hope you're enjoying the hot weather, but also staying safe. Okay, all right, so we are exploring what do they think of you. Okay, and we're just going to see what wants to come through. This is a general love reading, a general collective love reading. Okay, so if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Gwan Tea. We're going to just do a quick good opening, gratitude opening. Ooh, already, look at this. The magician. Okay, thank you, universe. Thank you, spirit guides. Thank you, guardian angels. Thank you, ancestors, for the messages that we're about to see today. May the messages resonate with the collective so they can use the messages to strengthen their intuition and their discernment every time. Wow, so we're getting some messages already. We got the King of Swords and we have the Six of Pentacles, the Magician. What do they think of you? We can see, look, we have the Six of Swords coming through. Right, and we're just shuffling. We're just shuffling. We ain't even started yet, okay? But we can already see like there's some kind of messages here, okay, for the collective. Look, let's have a look and see what messages, why are these messages coming through? Because we saw the Six of Swords, we saw the Six of Pentacles, we saw the Magician, we saw the King of Swords, okay? And it feels like there is a strong message that someone wants to communicate how they feel. Okay, so we're going to have a look and see, okay, what do they think of you? And we take on a lot of these messages that have been pulled from the pick a card readings. So we can see the Two of Pentacles being here and the Fool. So there could be an energy of someone. I feel like there's someone who's really into you but doesn't want to act the fool in front of you. So it's almost like they're trying to gauge how much, because we saw the Six of Pentacles as well as the King. It's like they're trying to gauge how much they can, I feel like gauge how much they can. Perhaps they have a very playful side with the energy of the fool, but he's also kind of, I feel like they want to come across in a way where you don't think they're just like the homie. Okay, this is a message that I'm getting, especially with the Magician. We saw the Magician earlier. It's this kind of energy of wanting to manifest you in, or find ways of having opportunities for you to come, or for them to be around you. Okay, I feel like perhaps this person could be someone you know at work. This could be someone you know from a work environment. This could be someone who's in your current energy right now. Okay, it could also be perhaps this person is wanting to take you out on a date, and I feel like there could be also some perhaps some finance issues, and perhaps wants to get their finances in a better position before they take that step to come forward. Okay, and let's see what's significant. Yes, because we have the Five of Wands. So perhaps this could also, for some of you, this could have been somebody where there could have been some kind of disagreements, there could have been some kind of compet rewind. We have lots of rewind moments when the messages are coming through. Sometimes they're like, "Ugh," okay, but I feel like there's perhaps a competition energy. Okay, let's just have a look. Yes, look what's that. We have the Queen of Pentacles. So perhaps there might be somebody who is I'm getting an energy that perhaps there could be a financial energy here. We have the Eight of Cups in reverse. So this person could be someone who's stuck on you. This could be someone from the past. For some of you who want to come forward, okay? Especially how we have the Fool in reverse, okay? It's somebody who perhaps is caught up in this energy. Look at this. The Knight of Cups. So there is definitely somebody really trying to come through. And I feel like there's an energy of what, because we're looking at what do they think of you? What do they think of you? And there's an energy, it's almost like perhaps all trying to always look the part. Perhaps maybe they could be feeling like they are trying to compete for your heart. Maybe they feel that there might be others interested in you. And I feel like the energy is that they see you as a very beautiful person and admire that energy, and is kind of thinking, well, if I can see that, others can see that. So I feel like this person might feel like I might not have that much, but I'm going to do a good job, a damn good job of trying to impress Jane. We're going to call you Jane, okay? So it could be John trying to impress you, okay? But look, Knight of Pentacles. We're seeing a lot of pentacles. So I feel like there could be an energy that perhaps one person may be in a kind of a more settled or has a better setup, because we did see the Queen of Pentacles pop out. Okay, so I feel like for some of you, perhaps there could be an age difference here. There could be a maturity difference here. Okay, but I feel like there's a strong energy of being impressed by you, but at the same time is maybe apprehensive with the lack of experience or the lack of maturity that they may have. Okay, and so it's kind of like they're trying to always think, what's the best step forward. Perhaps this person could also be seeking advice as well on how to navigate and how to come towards you. Okay, so we're going to pull out a Jamaican proverb and see what message wants to come out for the collective. Okay, so for the collective, reveal the proverb that they need to see right now that resonates with this message on this collective general love reading. What do they think of you? So what do they think of you? Ooh, we have when a man's belly's full, him brock pot. So when a man's belly is full, him brock the pot. This simply means, okay, that when someone is content, they don't need to look anywhere else. When someone is content, okay, they have the food, they're done. They're content with what they have. Okay, being satisfied. Sometimes we can forget the little things. So be present and be thankful for your blessings, daily gratitude. So this person can have an energy of being really glad for the opportunities, for the presence, I feel like it's getting to know you, okay, even if they may feel that perhaps they may not be 100% ready yet, but their mind is still on you, their heart is still on you, okay? And I feel like this could be a crush, this could be a current love interest, this could be someone from your recent past, okay? We have Nanny Goat, never scratch him back till him see wall. Now, this energy, the Nanny Goat, is the idea that the goat has its back against the wall and it wants to keep an eye on everything. And this could be the energy that with this person, it's like could be over analyzing everything, especially when you see the Two of Pentacles, trying to work out what best step to come forward. They could also be caught up in their emotions, because look at all this water that is behind them, okay? And they're going round and round and round, thinking, what is the best opportunity? Perhaps it could even be trying to overthink on, okay, I don't have that much money. How can I impress Jane? How can I impress Jane with a wonderful date? How can I impress her? Okay? Be an analytical, position for an opportunity, focus and execute. But this person could be overthinking how they're going to focus and execute, okay, their plan. We also have a message: to see me and live with me is two different thing. To see me and live with me are two different thing, okay? So in Jamaican patois, to see me and live with me are two different thing. That just means something. Are two different thing, okay? Something. So things are not always what they seem. Be aware. Take the time to know the person thyself. And I feel like this again, this could be this energy. Perhaps somebody does not have as much, and they could be still trying to impress you. Okay, they could be an energy of they're just trying to impress. Okay, but I feel like there could be an energy that they need to be honest. Perhaps you could even be sensing that this person may not or may not have as much, or they they may have these, you may sense that they are attracted to you, but there could still be things that you feel like, I still want to know this about this person though. Okay, we have peacock hiding foot when him hear about him tail. Okay, so the peacock hides its feet when it hears about its tail. So there's a strong energy about pride as well here. Being too proud stops you from growing. So don't stop yourself from learning. Pride, okay? Pride. Look at the Fool in reverse. It's the energy. The Fool is all about taking the risk, going out there in the big wide world and trying a thing. The dog is like that energy of the spirit guide to say, okay, you're gonna go. Well, you're gonna have a guide, just to know that there's always someone there to support you on your way. But I feel like with this energy being in reverse, this person may be apprehensive. This person may be stuck in their thought process. They may try to appear like they've got everything going on, but then scratch the layers. They could be very apprehensive about things. They could be maybe an overthinker, but we're exploring the question. Okay, what do they think about you? And I feel like the energies, when they think about you, I feel like they're so caught up in their feelings that it makes them feel, I get the energy of being tongue tied, not knowing what to do, not knowing where to turn, but also not wanting to give you a bad impression. So it's almost like they're trying to overthink every step, every mark before they approach you, or how they even step towards you. Okay, so let's pull out a romantic oracle deck. I'm gonna pull out a romantic angels oracle. Ooh, okay, look at this. We have playfulness. So to recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine. Now we saw the Fool in reverse. It's that energy of that playful spirit to go out there, take risks, try something, try a thing. Try a thing just means try something. Try something new. Try a thing. Just try a thing. Try a thing, no? Try a thing, no? Just means, why don't you go and try? Why don't you go and try it? Go on. Okay? So this person could, I feel like this person needs to step into this energy and just be playful. Take on that energy of the Fool. Relax, okay? In the Caribbean style, just relax, man. Relax, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Just relax. Okay? So, we're going to look into some some further messages from a new deck that I created, and it's called, the deck is all about their feelings for you. So we're going to see what wants to come through in this collective general love reading, on what do they think what do they think of you? Okay, so we're going to look into this deck. Ooh wee. Okay, so I like creating decks that just help to add some kind of like personal messages, or messages that really kind of like resonate. So we are now looking into what do they think of you, and we're using their feelings for you deck. So let's see what wants to come through, and I hope you are keeping hydrated. I'm gonna take a sip because I can feel my the messages saying, girl, you need to go and get yourself a sip. Okay, so let's have a sip together. Okay, a sip of I've got some water today. Let us know what you are sipping on. Put it in the comments down below. And it's very hot, very hot. So I believe there's like a Sahara heat across the UK. I think it's also going around the US. So yes, just making sure, and wherever you are watching the world, and if it's really hot, you've got weather, or if it's tornado season, just making sure you're keeping yourself safe, okay? Nice and hydrated. So we are looking into their feelings for you. So reveal their feelings for the collective. Reveal their feelings for the collective. What do they think of you? What do they think of you? We're going to just let the messages flow, just to bring that energy into the cards, because it's the first time we're using this deck. And then we'll read all of those messages together, okay? So, what do they think of you? 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 Ooh wee! What do they think of you? Look at that, look at that. What do they think of you? It's the first time using this deck. What do they think of you? 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 Right, I'm going to sing a little song because it helps to bring some energy. Shuffle, baby. Shuffle, baby. Shuffle, baby. Shuffle, baby. Woo! Shuffle, baby. Shuffle, baby. We're looking to the feelings. Shuffle, baby. What do they think of you? Shuffle, baby. Shuffle, baby. Yeah, see, they're coming out. Shuffle, baby. Right, we've got quite a few. So we're going to ask last shuffle. Last shuffle. Thank you. Thank you. Look at all of these juicy, juicy messages. So we're gathering all of those into juicy, juicy, intuitive gems. Right, so let's have a look. So this is the feelings for their feelings for you. Look at all it could be. Anybody. Okay, anybody that comes to mind. This could be the person in your mind, okay, or this person that is coming through, and you might just think, yes, I know who this is. This is definitely this person. Right, I am scared of my feelings for you. You see, this energy is kind of making sense why it's like, look at what we have here, the Chariot, wanting to come towards you. Look at this. This is the kind of like the sun, but it's also like that represents that playfulness, the inner child energy here. Okay, the Queen of Cups. Look at this, wanting to come. Perhaps it could be an energy as well, not being comfortable with being showing their feelings. So it's like every opportunity, because look, we see the Six of Swords and the Magician. It's like they want to run from their feelings. But then the Magician energy is saying, no, you got to change that and let the energy flow. So we have, I still remember our first date like it was yesterday. I still remember our first date like it was yesterday. Seeing you happy makes me happy. Just got the message to come back to this date, this message about the date. Because didn't we just say it earlier about there could be, perhaps there could be some kind of like apprehensive about, maybe it could be around money, or trying to figure out how they could make a real, like a good date, or really overthinking about things. Look at that. Seeing you happy makes me happy too, even if it's not with me. Even if it's not with me. And that could have been why we saw the Eight of Cups earlier, the energy of kind of in reverse. It's like they might not be with you, but they're still stuck on you. Okay. Now the message that's coming through is Lionel Richie, stuck on you, stuck on you, and the feeling la 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 la, and I'm on my way. Ooh wee. Okay, we have you're the one thing I can't seem to let go of. You're the one thing. I wish I could relive our happiest moments. I wish we could relive our happiest moments. But I felt the need to say I. Okay? My feelings for you are still as strong as ever, are still as strong as ever. You're all I ever wanted. You are all I ever wanted. I can't stop thinking about you. I can't stop thinking about you. I feel lost without you. So this could be, I feel like this could be more than one person coming through. Okay. I can't imagine my life without you. I can't imagine my life without you. Okay. We have, I still wear the necklace you gave me. So it could be jewelry or any type of jewelry, but we've got I still wear it. Perhaps this could be a message that you still wear this, and you still wear perhaps something they've given you, or they still wear it. We have, you're the one I want to come to. You're the one I want to come home to. I need you in my life. I need you in my life. Your love changed me for the better. Your love changed me for the better. I'm sorry for not being able to give you what you deserve. I'm sorry. So there's definitely an energy about feeling like they don't have, or have a lack of, or lack of resources. Okay? I'm sorry for not realizing your worth sooner. I'm sorry for not realizing your worth sooner. I'm scared of what the future holds for us. I'm scared of what the future holds for us. And we can see that it's like the Six of Swords. Someone wants to run, okay? It's like, it's just like, it could be like, that could be in some kind of coping mechanism that they've just, maybe tough moments, they just feel like the need to run, okay? And I feel like they were just saying, no, no, no more, stop that, because it's holding you back, okay? If given a chance, I would choose you over and over again. I need more time to figure things out. And we can see that here with the Two of Pentacles. Someone is making a decision. They're trying to make a decision. They're trying to make a choice. But it's like they're kind of caught up in that. It's like ships are sailing. And it's like, come on, man. There's missed opportunities here. Come on. Missed opportunities. Don't keep missing these opportunities. I regret letting you go. I regret, yes, because we did see the Eight of Cups, and it's this energy of someone who's moving away, but they were in the reverse. So it's like they're stuck. They may have made that decision, but they're stuck in that decision. I'm ready to fight for us. I'm ready to fight for us. So there's somebody who wants to come back, who wants to fight. Perhaps they've recognized that their pride, could have been holding them back, and now they want to step forward. Okay? We have, I'm not good enough for you. I am not good enough for you. Yes, we can see this energy. It's like a back and forth, overthinking, over analyzing, okay, holding you back. Again, if we keep dwelling on the things that are not serving us, on the things that are not, on the things that we don't want for ourselves, essentially we're putting more energy on the things that we don't want for ourselves and less time on the things that we do want. Okay, your love is like a drug I can't quit. Okay, you're my unfinished love story. If I had a second chance, I would do things differently. If I had a second chance, I would do things differently. I'm trying to be better for you. I'm trying to be better for you. I'm just not ready to commit yet. I'm just not ready to commit yet. And I feel like this could be the energy of like the two pentacles. It's like this person's it's I feel like they need to get to get clarity, to really feel confident in their decision making. I feel like a lot of the energy is because they're not confident in their decision making, and so that makes them doubt their decisions in the first place. Okay, so we have, I'm working on becoming a better person for you. I dream about you every night. We have, you're my safe space. You're my safe place. So you are my safe place. I want to be with you, but I'm scared. I want to be with you, but I'm scared. Okay? Your love has left an indelible mark on my heart. I want to tell you how I feel, but I don't know how. I want to tell you how I feel, but I don't know how. So we are going to just quickly clarify some of these messages. Okay. So we have, I want to tell you how I feel, but I don't know how. Okay. So for the collective, okay, on this general love reading, what do they think of you? What do they think of you? Why is it that they don't know? Why is it they want to tell you how I feel, but don't know how? Why is it that they want to tell the collective how they feel, but don't know how? Because look at this. Because we have the Justice card here. Because there's an energy of them really needing to, I feel like it's an energy of trusting themselves. And again, look at this. We still have scales, an energy of balance taking place here with the Two of Pentacles and the Justice card. This person needs to get, this person really needs to become comfortable with how they feel. And I feel like the energy of why they don't know how is because it's like the energy of not trusting themselves. Let's have a look and see what's significant, because we have the Four of Wands. So they want this with you. And the Four is also the energy of stability. They have to develop that stability within themselves to trust their own decisions. Okay, to stop the over analyzing, to stop the overthinking, because that now leads into self-sabotaging energy. Look what we have at the back. Yes, you see, the Eight of Swords in reverse. They've got to release that energy. They have to release it because it's holding them back. It is holding them back. Okay, and look what's behind the Magician. So the Magician is here to say, look, you can get this. You can manifest this into your life. You just have to believe. You just have to trust and let it flow. Okay, and don't worry about the decision. Just make a decision and trust it. Okay, put it out there so the universe can manifest it and help you towards it. But look what we have here. The Five of Cups trying to come through in the middle. This is the energy. It's like they need to stop doing that, because what do we see? Look, what do we see behind this person in this image? We have Two of Cups. So those Two of Cups is the reminder to say, not all of the energy has been spilled. There is still energy here. Okay, there is still an energy of attraction. There is still an energy of that, the mutual feelings. So let it run. Just, let it run. Okay, we're just giving out this message to this person. Just be comfortable in being yourself, and let that energy run. Not the overthinking, not the dwelling, just letting the energy of just being yourself. Okay, so we're going to look into now. I want to be with you, but I'm scared. But I feel like the messages were already coming through. But okay, let's have a look. I want to be with you, but I'm scared. I want to be with you, but I'm scared. Okay, can we have a message, please? Why they feel like this? I want to be with you, but I'm scared. Okay, we have... Oi, 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 look at what's there, look what's there, look what's there. The Temperance and the Fool. So this is the energy, again, to be at peace with yourself. Be at peace with taking risks. Being at peace with starting a new journey. Being at peace with starting anew, okay? Just looking back and thinking, well, this is what you used to do, and it's not serving you. It's not aligning you with what you truly want. So now, be at ease with what it is that you truly want, and then let it flow. Let it flow. Let that energy flow. Okay? But we can see, what do they think of you as a collective on this general love reading? There is strong feelings here. But there's a strong energy of somebody who is coming through in this read that has lots of apprehensions that could be holding them back. And the more at ease they become, especially as we see this Temperance energy, and it's the energy of really reconnecting with yourself, okay, pouring into yourself and pouring into that energy that you want to bring out into the world, the more confident they're going to become. The more confident they're going to become to take action. Let's have a look and see if there's any significant messages. We have the World. Look at this, the World. Doors will open. Doors will open, darling. Honey, doors will open. Doors will open. This is a message for all of us that we can truly resonate with. Stop dwelling on things that are not aligned with you. Stop dwelling on things that are not serving you. Stop dwelling on things that hold you back. Okay? We are all about the energy. Forward, ever. Backward, never. Remember that. Forward, ever. Backward, never. With the World card. And we have, yes, perhaps this person can maybe seek advice from others, people that they trust, on how they could perhaps, if it could be an energy of, maybe they could be wanting to say, right, I've been trying to get to Jane, and maybe things that I've been doing in the past are not helping or not serving me. What could best way? And they could be just saying, look, just be yourself. Try this. If this don't work, try A. If try route A. If option A. If option A don't work, try option B. Option B don't work, try option C. Just give yourself many options, but don't hold yourself back on anything. You can make lots of options for yourself and just see how it goes. And if Jane's interested, Jane's interested. Okay, but you won't know until you try. This person could also be maybe looking at how to improve their finances, improve their stability, security. But we see the energy of free. That's about growth and expansion. Okay, taking that opportunity. Okay. Ooh-wee. So we're gonna leave the messages. We're gonna leave these messages to just brew. Okay. Now I feel drawn to pull from the middle. Look at this. We have the Judgment in reverse here. We have the Ace of Swords. So this is all about clarity. This is what a What a great way to end this read, to give this message of like, look, here's the clarity. So you know, if you've been thinking, oh yes, now it's all making sense now. There's an energy here of this person, they're feeling you. They have very strong feelings, but they're caught up in their own, oh, what should I do? Okay. And it's like now, just all they need to do is just be confident in themselves so that the confidence will flow, and you will sense that confidence. You will intuitively sense that confidence, that they feel more confident. They may not caught up in their pride. They're not caught up in any energy that could be holding them back at this time. Just being themselves. And this is a message for all of us. Just be yourselves. Just be your true, authentic selves, and let that run. Let that come through. Okay? So we're going to leave it here. Woo, because it sure is hot. But to the collective, I hope the messages are resonating. Okay, I hope the messages are truly resonating. And look what we have at the, what we have here. The Four of Wands is still here, and we have the Knight of Swords. Yes, taking this energy to just, you know, beat out, punch out any kind of like things are not serving you, so we can bring in all of the energies that are serving us. Okay, but yes, I hope the messages are resonating. Take the messages that resonate and leave with the sacred power. Leave the rest. Okay, I saw it go. I saw it go. But please do have a look at all of the readings available at Gwan Tarot, as well as the Summer of Love pick a card readings that are available every Sunday for the rest of the summer. Okay, so we've got a couple of weeks left, so do have a look and pop by every Sunday, because there's always going to be a juicy message. Okay, or juicy reading. Okay, and yes, so like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Okay, keep sipping, keep hydrated, and I'll see you on the next one. Wagwan.